Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if Wi-Fi is not working on your Motorola Moto G86 Power. The first thing you may want to try is to simply turn your Wi-Fi off and then back on again. You can do so in the quick settings drawer, which you get to by swiping from the top down, or in your settings under network and internet. You can do the same thing. If this doesn't solve your problem, you can try disconnecting from the network and then connecting to it, like so, or even forgetting it and then putting the password back in, after which you can connect. If it still doesn't work, you may want to try and see if you are putting in the correct password. But if it does connect, then it should be good. If the network doesn't show up in the first place, you could try restarting your router. Another step you could also take is to restart your phone. You can do so by pressing the volume up and the power key at the same time to enter this menu, which you can also enter through the quick settings drawer right here. You can simply tap on restart, which will restart your phone, which might take a little bit. After your phone turns back on, you can enter it and check if your Wi-Fi is working now. If it, however, still doesn't work, you can try going into settings and then scrolling down to, I believe, maybe backup and copy data. If not here, then under System, Reset Options, and here Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and then Reset. This will reset network settings, which could possibly help, although this will automatically also forget all the networks you are connected to, so make sure you still have the passwords for them. So you can try connecting to it again. If it works, then that means your problem is solved. But outside of this, you could also try booting into safe mode, which you can do by entering the power menu, tapping and holding on either restart or power off, and then tapping OK. When you're restarting your router in the previous step, you should take into account the fact that you have to unplug it from power and then plug it back in after roughly 30 seconds, maybe longer if you want to be sure that it properly resets. You'll know you are in safe mode by the safe mode text here. Then you can enter your phone and again try checking if your Wi-Fi works here. If it does, that means one of your apps that you possibly recently installed could be the source of your problems. In which case you'll have to return to normal mode and start uninstalling your recently installed apps, which might end up being a bit tedious, since you might also end up needing to restart between uninstalls to make sure that it actually works. Now, to return from safe mode to normal mode, simply restart your phone. And that's it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.